What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So let's do an audio test between the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, both of these devices is true flagships. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is the big dog of 2021. Now, as of me recording this video, the new iPhone 13 is not out yet. So I'm going to compare the iPhone 12 Pro Max against the Galaxy S21 Ultra to see which one external speakers is king supreme. Now, on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I got the volume turned all the way up. You don't have any type of special modes, equalizers and stuff on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, you do. So on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, on the sound profile, I have it on the Dolby Atmos, and the equalizer is normal. So, and I got this, the volume all the way turned up. So it's even Steven between both of these devices. Let's go on to see which one is king supreme. And also, when I'm gonna come back after the test and give you guys my commentary on what I think about both of these devices. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the audio test between the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me give my thoughts about this. Both the devices is really good, but I believe that the Galaxy S21 Ultra sounded better, had a fuller sound, the bass and highs was better overall compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is okay, a little hollow sound. I mean, overall is okay. I definitely, when listening to it, I think that the Galaxy S21 Ultra was the better sounding device overall. But the 12 Pro Max sound okay. I think it has a more hollow sound. Now it does get loud. Both of them, as far as loudness, both of them sound really good. On the Galaxy S21 Ultra, you can adjust your equalizer and stuff like that to adjust your bass and your mids and stuff like that. I think both of them do a very good job. If you got an iPhone, you're pretty much satisfied the way it sounds. But if you want to compare the two, I believe the Galaxy S21 Ultra kind of edge a little more than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But you be the judge for yourself. Let me know down in the comments below which one sounds better to you. Once the iPhone 13 or iPhone 12s come out, I can redo this test to see which one is even Steven. But I'm doing these requested videos because y'all got asked, and I'm putting these two devices together to see which one is king supreme. I like both of them, but I prefer the Galaxy S21 Ultra when it comes down to the external speakers in this test. This is the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S21 Ultra versus the iPhone 12 Pro Max. See you guys on the next video. Peace.